Moondrop. Unlike the popular and numerous spinners in the market, this unusual gadget keeps your hands busy and lets you learn physics while playing. It's a magnetic cylinder with a ring that can go up and down. Depending on its material, the ring can move as if it were on the moon or on Mars, places with a gravity force completely different from ours. The gadget easily fits in your pocket and you can connect several of them using the magnets. The price of this beautiful toy is $27. Fidget Gadget. This small plastic widget perfectly fits in your palm or in your pocket, and you can carry it around everywhere. It's equipped with a number of different buttons which you can press, turn or click, calming your nerves and reducing stress. Besides, you can use it as a keychain thanks to a ring with a magnetic clasp. The Fidget comes in 10 colors and costs $19. Spin. This little toy, similar to a spinning top, can relax you and help you to make different decisions. Depending on the user's needs, the gadget can have written different words, short phrases, or symbols. The designers also created a blank toy in which you can write what you want. A perfect option for those who can never decide what to have for dinner or where to go for the weekend. The gadget is made of stainless steel and it's small enough to fit in even the tiniest pocket. Its diameter is 1.25 inches, its height is 1.33 inches, and its weight is 1.6 ounces. You can buy this pretty decision-making spinning top for $24. Momentum 360. According to the creators of this toy, this is the world's first centrifugal-powered hand spinner. It's made of light but durable aluminium and high-quality ceramic bearings. It can withstand corrosion and any mechanical damage. Apart from spinning the gadget, you can spin every detail separately. If you want to protect your gadget, you can also buy a stylish case for it. The toy comes in 5 beautiful colors: black, blue, silver, gold, and pewter. And the price of this spinner is $40. TikTok. Unlike other spinners made entirely or partially from metal, this one is made of a special flexible rubber-like material that won't crack, scratch, or break, even if you bend it. Besides, thanks to the material, this spinner is much lighter than others and you won't bruise your fingers. The ceramic bearings with steel casing allow spinning the gadget for 3 minutes or more. Another cool feature of this gadget is that it's versatile, and you can create many combinations of different colors and forms. Every detail comes in 10 colors, which allows you to create more than 1,000 amazing combinations. For true spinner fans, there are cool add-ons that will help you to perform more interesting tricks. You can buy this colored toy for $12. The Fidget Flipper. This simple and compact gadget was created for those who love clicking a pen in order to think better, to concentrate, or just to keep their hands busy. It's a small rubber tap that you can put on your pen or your pencil, or use it by itself. Thanks to its material, the tap can be bent in all directions. You can pop it, roll it, and click it. Its dimensions are 0.9 by 1.3 inches, and it's perfect for any pen with a diameter between 0.25 and 0.6 inches. This invention comes in 6 colors and costs only $5. Gear 1. The outer diameter of this spinner is 1.8 inches, making it much more compact than its analogs. Nevertheless, it looks more brutal and even aggressive thanks to a set of decorative teeth on the edges and its black color. The toy is equipped with hybrid ceramic bearings and comes in several versions, with screws of different colors and materials: aluminium, stainless steel, and titanium. By the way, The creators of this gadget warn the user that they're not responsible for any possible damage to property or even personal injury while using the spinner. But you can take the risk and buy this toy for $35 or less, depending on the model you choose. Billet Spin. Here's another pocket spin top. The creators of this toy claim that it can spin on a flat surface for 13 minutes or more, of course if the user has had some practice. Depending on the model, the toy can be made from stainless steel, brass or copper, and thanks to its construction, this spin top is one of the lightest in the world. This toy is perfect to relax or just to keep your hands busy during some boring lecture. According to its creators, even looking at it can calm you down, just like looking at fire. It'd be a perfect stylish gift, and you can buy it for $35. Infinity Cube. This is another anti-stress toy in the form of an infinity cube that can calm you down and help you improve your fine motor skills. The infinity of this toy consists in its structure. Each one of the 8 little cubes can move in any direction and at any angle, and you can even play with it using only one hand. When folded, its dimensions are 1.6 inches cubed. When laid flat, 3.2 by 1.6 by 0.8 inches, meaning that it's no thicker than your wallet and easily fits in your pocket. The Infinity Cube comes in 2 colors, black and silver, and it'll cost you $75. Spinnerds. Some people believe this unusual gadget will replace today's popular spinners in the future, but to be honest, we find this idea quite unreal. This toy consists of 2 magnetic balls attached to each other. It comes in 5 colors and 3 sizes, with the ball being 0.6, 0.5 or 0.3 inches in diameter. The weight of the toy is 0.6, 0.5 or 0.3 ounces correspondingly. You can spin the balls on any smooth surface, for example on a glass table, or you could buy a special stand with colored illumination. The price of the toy is $13. Spin Block. This compact aluminium fidget combines 7 addicting fidgeting functions. It's small, light, thin, fits easily in your pocket and helps you relieve anxiety. Apart from all the typical options that similar gadgets have to offer, like button clicking, this one's capable of spinning by itself for up to 4 minutes. Its dimensions are 1 by 1.5 by 1.5 inches. The toy comes in 2 colors, blue and black, and it costs $45. Roar. This toy can be used like a spinner, and it's a cool accessory for your work desk. It's compact and looks cool enough to show it to your colleagues. The spinner comes with a small tower to put the roar in when you're not using it, or to spin the toy if you want to. This gadget can decorate your office, calm you down, and it costs only $32. Vinci Ring. Here's another beautiful gadget to reduce stress and keep your hands busy. It looks like a wide, heavy ring decorated with bearings. You can spin it around your finger like a spinner, or use it like jewelry and carry it on a necklace. The toy comes in 3 versions made from different materials: brass, titanium, and gold. Depending on the material, the bearings and the prices are different. The starting price of this unusual toy is $50 for the cheapest model. Fidget. This one is perfect for those who don't want to carry any extra equipment but still need to reduce stress. It's the first modular fidget system. Depending on the user's preferences, the small square fidgets can be put on the phone case, on a cube, on a keyring, or even stand alone. The price of each fidget is $8, the cube costs $17, and the phone case costs $29. Clicky Bits. This funny, colourful gadget looks like a small ball that fits in your palm. It has 6 buttons that you can press one by one or all together. Besides, you can just roll it on your palm, stimulating the blood flow. The price of this gadget is $19.